In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent that calls multiple sub-workflows. This structure allows us to orchestrate multiple workflows and call them at the same time. And they all get executed and complete different processes. Let's have a look how I built that. Okay, here I have this AI agent. I use chat message trigger because I just want to type it here and trigger the AI agent. But if you are integrating that with your various application that you have, you can use webhook, or you can also use a schedule trigger if you want to run this on a weekly or monthly basis. If you put it here, trigger on the right hand side, just puts a schedule, so you can use a schedule trigger, or you can use webhook, where you can basically have a API endpoint that can integrate with your other application as well. But here I'm simply using a chat message. Then I have this AI agent that I put the prompt for it that you are a workflow orchestration AI agent for sending bulk email and bulk image generation. And the orchestration plan is calling to different workflow that I'm going to show you in a bit, bulk email automation and bulk image generation using OpenAI. Then as the brain and the AI model here, I connected with OpenAI chat model. Simply choose the AI model I want. And then here I connected to sub workflow as a tool for the AI agent. Tool means that AI agent can go and decide which workflow start first. This is non-deterministic, and the decision is made by AI agent, right? So we add these tools and allow AI agent to run them whenever it sees a fit. Okay, here we choose the workflow that we want, and this is the sub workflow for bulk image generation. I use execution trigger, which you can simply here type execute, and you get execute sub workflow trigger. And meaning is that this workflow gets triggered by an AI agent as a sub workflow. And then here I have a Google Sheet node where I connected to Google Sheet, and connected to the sheet I want is marketing content. And I listed industry, style, and content. I chose skincare and fashion, and use the sheet I want, which is content here. Then get all these rows one by one. I loop over the list and send it to OpenAI API for generating image. Once the image is generated, I upload it to Google Drive in this directory. So you can see that here, I put the name, then selected my drive, and then the folder and directory I want to see the images then. Here is the OpenAI node for image generation, and I put the prompt here that I'm using the content, style, industry, now create an image for me with a specific name. That's one workflow. And then if I go back to this AI agent, I have another tool as a bulk email automation. So I'm saying this one is for sending email in bulk, and the usage of is that when you have, for example, 50 warm lists, or you want to send cold outreach and you want to have them in a sheet, have a specific subject line and content for each, and send them in bulk. And you can do this on a weekly basis, monthly basis, and so on. So here again, I use the execute node, execute by another workflow, which means that this workflow is a sub workflow. And then I use the Google Sheet node and choose the tab I want. Here is email automation. As you can see here, I have email automation here. And then I'll loop over all the items one by one and send the email to each person. So here you put the email, subject, content, and send it. If I go here and execute the workflow, you can see that if the email is sent out, the image is created or not. Now, as you can see, the workflow gets executed. It's calling the sub workflow. The workflow for email automation is done. Here I can see that I received the email in my Outlook account for the promotion for Black Friday. And here in my Gmail, I can see that I received the email for a new ticket. So the email automation workflow is done. Okay, now I can see that the image generation is also done. Let's have a look at the images generated. Here, the image is generated. Okay, for skincare, which I mentioned that here for skincare, a woman is putting the moisturizer on her skin. It's generated that. And this one, a young man in his 30, and we can see that that's also created. He's holding sunglasses also. So the images are created as well, and the orchestration went successfully, and both sub workflow is done correctly. Hope you find this helpful and you get a better understanding of how you can build an AI agent that call multiple sub workflow in n8n. I used a simple approach to make it very easy for you to understand how this concept works actually. Hope you find this helpful. If you like it, join Agentic Lab to learn more. Thank you.